Hello, kids. Let's have fun with domestic animal riddles. Are you ready? Let's begin. I give you milk. I say, moo, moo. Who am I?
Cow.
I bark loudly. I guard your house. Who am I? Dog. I like milk. I say, meow, meow. Who am I? Cat. I lay eggs. I say cluck, cluck. Who am I? Hen. I have soft wool. I say ba, ba. Who am I? Sheep. I climb rocks. I say ma, ma. Who am I?
Goat.
I can run fast. People ride on me. Horse. Who am I? Horse. I like to roll in mud. I say oink oink. Who am I?
Pig.
I have long ears. I eat carrot. Who am I? Rabbit. I swim in water. I say quack quack. Who am I? Duck.